Trade Confident family. What's going on, guys? It's funny. I look out my window. I don't know if any of you guys are in Northern California. I'm getting these weather alerts saying a blizzard is about to hit us. There's a huge storm coming in Northern California. But I'm looking at the weather, and it's 53 degrees outside. So either Frosty's coming real quick or the weather app is wrong. So anyways, praying protection over all you guys in Northern California here, as we're going to get hit with a big storm here. All right, you didn't come here for weather, you came here for an update on crypto. Guys, here's the deal. I want to come on here and just be really frank and candid with you guys. Your chance to accumulate your altcoins and Bitcoin, that stage is officially done. The accumulation stage is done. Not to say you cannot accumulate more, but the best time to have accumulated Bitcoin was from here to here. It was from the low to the 786 retracement. We used our indicators here, and although the indicators are not always 100% correct, because a lot of indicators right now are going through the toilet because they don't know what to do with the price action coming in, because these indicators have never seen price action like this. You guys need to give a little bit of grace, not only to our indicators, but all of yours. The RSI, the stochastic, the MACD, whatever you guys are using, all indicators right now are being put through a stress test, and you need to give them time to adjust to the new price action. That is how your RSIs, the stochastic, anything. I'm gonna give you guys a little masterclass right here. And before you guys give up on indicators, which is how we've won 141 wins and 0 losses, and we've been winning trades through this market, you need to realize the indicators you guys love most are pinned to a range. The reason why you guys like indicators the most and why they are so accurate at predicting moves back up when at the bottom and the top is because they are constantly adjusting back to what's called a basis line, okay? When you have an indicator go up here and it gets stalled out, or your RSI gets stalled out, what's happening is it's trying to come back down and find a medium area for the updated price action. So the next time the signal is high or the signal is low, it gives you an accurate and a high percentage probability of calling the next move. That's what's happening with all of you guys' indicators. So you guys need to realize there are short squeezes going on every single day, and this market is getting more bullish by the day. So take a look at this. Guys, we have officially entered into the red dot. You guys are like, what's the red dot? The red dot is the bull market. The accumulation period that I've been trying to tell you guys about, that we've been screaming from the rooftops here on our membership inside Trade Confident, is that accumulate. And the red dot is here. Let me play a quick video for you guys because I love this. Listen to this. This is what everybody is feeling like in Bitcoin right now. We are floating away, guys. We're jumping along fields of wheat. We're all excited, but in all seriousness, the people that are not very excited are the people who did not accumulate. So the next question is, what's your next play? And that's what I want to kind of unpack for you guys in the next couple minutes here, and then we'll end the video. What do you do? I'm going to show you guys a chart that we only show our members, but I want you guys to see something here. Let me show you guys the severity of how ridiculous Bitcoin could get here and how it's actually outperforming every single cycle. What you guys need to realize is every single cycle Bitcoin has gone through, and I say this and show this a lot, Bitcoin is going to be magnetized up to what's called the 786 retracement from the high to the low. Every time it's been magnetized to this area and it's seen a drop. This right here, guys, 50% drop. Boom. Second one, this drop from here to here, 38% drop. Dropped exactly at the 786. Third time, came up yet again, 786, and this was a 50% drop. The indicators, the top and bottom finder has been flashing sell signals because for 13 years, the market has crashed exactly on the sell signals, guys. 13 years of data. This is why I'm telling you guys, give your indicators some grace. They're all trying to update to the new price action, all right? What I think you guys need to be aware of is I've mocked up here every single price action cycle moving forward from a break of the 786 retracement. And let me just give you guys this note right here. Do you guys know that once you break the 786 retracement, price never has come back down to retest it except for cycle 2 with a little bit of an anomaly right here? Look at this study. I'm about to blow you guys' mind. This is why I'm so bullish on crypto right now, and our account's doing well. We went up $20,000 while we were sleeping last night. No short trades open, no plans of selling at all. Watch this data right here. You come up to the 786. Once you pass the 786, Bitcoin never goes back down to retest that again. Didn't happen here. Well, what about cycle number 2? 786. Once it broke, only a little bit down here. Never came back down to retest the 786. You're like, well, can it happen again? Well, absolutely it can. We broke the 786 here. Bitcoin did not come back down to the 786 retracement in the previous cycle. Well, guess where we're at, guys? We broke the 786 retracement right here at 49. Round it to 50,000 if you would like, and we're moving up from here. What does this tell us? It means that the greatest accumulation period of Bitcoin was below 50,000. And there's a very, very high chance that Bitcoin will not go back down below $50,000. You guys ready for this? Ever again. Ever again. So you now need to adjust. Cycle 1 is in orange for price action of what happened when we broke the 786 retracement. Cycle number 2 is in blue. Cycle number 3 is in pink. What do you notice about every single price action cycle going forward from a break of a retest of the 786? Either a move back down, which has been a 30 to 50% move, or in this case, a move back up. All price action has extremely minimal drawdown from the 786 and insane amounts of upside potential. This is why we're not taking shorts. This is why we are not selling. This is why our account has hit an all-time high of $753,000. Guys, if you are in the market right now, I think the best thing to do is not to sell any of your alts or any of your cryptocurrency. Guys, I get it. Like, we're in Doge. We're up 18%. We're in FET. FET has absolutely exploded here lately. Let's go take a look at FET. Can we just take a pause real quick? Let's look at FET. We call this out to our community. By the way, down here, in our membership, guys, there's a link in the description. Get a membership. It is $59 a month. I'm going to teach you guys all about this. We called out FET down here. Cody, we called out Cody down here. We've already made over 200% on Cody. Ocean, we called out Ocean Protocol down here in our membership. We've made all of this. You guys can look at all of this in the future forecast at tradeconfident.io. I'm not logged in here. I apologize about that. Come over here. There's a subscribe button. I will teach you guys how to trade these markets and how to get into trade setups where 141 wins and 0 losses. Watch the future forecast, because as I end this video for you guys on YouTube here, I will show you a little bit of this data, but I just went over this morning of how are you going to exit Bitcoin and altcoins for peak gains. Guys, the accumulation phase is done. Now it's about holding. It's about who's going to have the most patience and who has the correct data to predict where the peaks are before the biggest drops happen, because people are going to lose millions of dollars. They're not going to exit on time. And do you guys know this? That every single bull market that we've been through has been met with a bullish article at the peak of cryptocurrency. So you're going to have the media and the institutions completely working against you when it's the best time to actually exit. You guys realize that? Okay. Take a look at this. If you take every single cycle and you place them on top of each other, where Bitcoin peaked in every cycle, the longest cycle is out here at February 24th of 2025, which is 273 days faster than the normal peak, which is expected in November and December of 2025. November and December. This means you are going to probably we have a very high chance of hitting the top of Bitcoin, potentially almost 3/4 of a year faster than the normal cycle. I do agree with some people that we could be in a new cycle of Bitcoin, and here is just some proof for you guys of what's happened every cycle. Is that not insanely, insanely bullish? Okay, guys? If you want me to keep teaching this to you guys, if you want to watch our future forecast, I will show you guys 9 indicators and metrics. I promise you guys this. I don't mean to overstate this. I promise you, you will have confidence when you watch the end of this video of how to time the peak exits of low cap gems, your altcoins, as well as Bitcoin. I'm showing you guys the indicators that we're using. Only one of these are ones that we coded. The other 8 are other people's. Okay, I'm not just here to sell our product. I'm here to give you guys the best analysis based off a lot of people's data that they've aggregated, because it doesn't make sense if we just try to push our stuff if it's not the best. I think our top and bottom finder is going to do great. It is actually the only indicator that was able to predict the peaks on a monthly basis for the peak of crypto. And we are watching this on the monthly chart for the next sell signal, which is going to be above the all-time high. That is one of the keys you guys really need to be watching. All right. Guys, I hope you got a lot of stuff out of this. We are very bullish. You saw every single price action overlay on the charts of what we think that's going to happen with Bitcoin here. And this is very, very bullish. Oh, and by the way, let me just leave you guys with this. Do you guys know that Bitcoin on exchanges is going to an all-time low in the last 6 years? Where's the Bitcoin on exchanges to be sold? We talk about that in our membership. Okay, this is very bullish. Do you guys know China just tried to, let me just read it out to you guys. I'm going to go a little bit longer here because I want you guys to know this data. I won't show all of it, but look at this. Hong Kong just received 22 applications on crypto exchange licenses. Bitcoin OTC over-the-counter supply is drying up. That's what I just showed you guys. Hong Kong is about to launch Bitcoin spot ETFs for China. Are you kidding me? Guys, 150 per Bitcoin is now my conservative target. That's Seth. Great job, Seth. This market is going to explode, and you need to be ready and have a good plan, and you need to know when to exit. So snag that membership. It is $59 a month. Watch the data I show you guys. It's how we plan on exiting our portfolios, and I think you guys are going to get a lot out of that. All right, guys, until next time, have a good one, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.